I'm Nandakumar, Managing Director of Annapooraniamman Foods. We are manufacturers of virgin, extra virgin edible oils, peanut and sesame. Also, we are manufacturers of rice, pulses, and other grocery items. We are based out of Erode in Tamil Nadu. Actually, we have been in the market for the last 6 months, and we wanted to find right partners for white labeling and capacity utilizations. So that's where we came across CMPL, and we wanted to be a part of it to get exposed to the market and to find suitable buyers who are looking for good manufacturers for these products, where we can find right partners for contract manufacturing and private labeling. So in fact, we identified many potential partners, and many people identified us to be a potential partner for their manufacturing solutions. It was indeed great. Yes, thank you. Excellent. We had a good experience, good connections. Excellent. Simply to say, thank you.